Overfitting and tree pruning. Overfitting, an induced tree may overfit the training data. Too many branches. Some may reflect anomalies due to noise or outliers. Poor accuracy for unseen samples. We are missing accuracy here. Accurate values we are going to miss. And we are getting many branches as well as for the noisy and outliers. So there are two approaches to avoid this overfitting. To avoid branches, to avoid outliers, to avoid noise. There are two approaches. One is pre-pruning and the other one is post-pruning. When a decision tree is built, many of the branches will reflect anomalies in the training data due to noise and outliers. So tree pruning method addresses this problem of overfitting the data. Unpruned tree tend to large and complex, but pruned tree tend to smaller and less complex, easier to comprehend. So first of all, we'll see what is pre-pruning. A tree is pruned by halting its construction easily. Example, by deciding not to further split or partition the rule set of training tuples at a given node. Halting the node becomes a leaf, and the leaf may hold the most frequent class among the subset tuples. So here, difficult to choose an appropriate threshold. When constructing a tree measures such as information gain, Gini index, etc. can be used to assess the goodness of split. So if partitioning the tuples at a node would result in a split that falls below pre-specified threshold, then further partitioning of the given subset is halted. So high threshold could result in what? Could result in oversimplified trees. So where low threshold could result in very high, very little simplifications. So based on threshold, either high or low, we have to do. So it is very difficult to choose an appropriate threshold. Second, post pruning, which is going to remove all the subtrees from a fully grown tree. A subtree at a given node is pruned by removing its branches and replacing with its leaves. So here, use a set of data different from the training data to decide which of the best pruned tree is. So here we have two example like an unpruned decision tree and a pruned decision tree. So unpruned decision tree have many branches. And pruned decision tree has less branches. Removing unwanted branches, removing unrelated branches, removing outliers, removing all the extra branches, we are getting a pruned decision tree which have all the final leaf nodes with less branches.